making roasted garlic Parmesan bread. You have to start by roasting garlic. To do that, you want to take off any of that loose papery skin on its outside. Next, I want to expose the cloves. So I'm going to cut off just the top part of the garlic. Here I've got some foil that I put in a wire rack, which is in a baking sheet. Put the garlic heads on top of that, and then drizzle it with some oil and sprinkle with a good amount of salt. Next, I'm going to crimp the foil all around this garlic and make sure it's nice and tightly sealed. Roast it in a 400-degree oven for about an hour and a half. Can you smell it? Let the garlic cool 30 minutes, and then it's time to make the bread. I just need one head for this recipe, so I'm going to squeeze out the cloves from this one, and then I'll save this other garlic for something else. Mash the garlic with softened butter, Parmesan cheese, parsley, salt, and pepper until nice and smooth. I'm using Italian bread here, and I just need to cut it in half and smear that butter mixture evenly on the cut sides of the bread. Now I'm going to bake the bread until it's nice and golden at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Time to cut each slice into 8 pieces. It's so crispy and golden. Delicious and warm roasted garlic Parmesan bread. Some marinara sauce wouldn't hurt.